Hello everyone, I'm Mike. I'm a commercial manager for textile auxiliaries. Today, I want to give you some introduction about silicone products. As we know, there are many silicone products in the world. For example, there are some silicone rubbers, there is some silicone adhesives and silicone oil as well. So today let's talk about silicone oil in textile industry. I want to show you some silicone manufacturing process from the beginning to the end. Okay, first, silicone oil, the raw material is pebble. You can see the cobblestone in the length like that. The pebble plus methyl chloride to make chlorine silane. This is important raw material to make another products. This product is widely used to make silicone. It is DMC. DMC is a compound. This compound concludes D3, D4, D5 and some others products. So it is a mixture. It is not a pure product. In our textile silicone oil manufacturing, mostly we will use D4 as a raw material. This product, maybe some of you know this product. Okay, later I will give more information about this product for D4. D4 is a raw material to manufacture, you can see master silicone oil, amino silicone oil, block silicone oil, and some other silicone oil. As we mentioned, block silicone oil, massive silicone oil and amino silicone oil. First, let's talk about massive silicone oil. Massive silicone oil is widely used in some industries in our life. For example, for molding oil, molding agent, and for lubricant, and also for some. You can see lubricant is widely used in our people's life. This is structure of master silicone oil. Master silicone oil, because methyl group is very stable, can be used in high temperature and in alkaline, in acid. So many industry use this kind of master silicone oil. For example, we can see from the different CPS, I mean the viscosity, 5, 10, 150, 100, 500, 1000, and some other viscosity products. Mostly speaking, this kind of, if the viscosity is lower, it's more difficult to manufacture master silicone oil. And normally we can see there is 350 this kind of viscosity master silicone oil can be used for the lubricant, for the silk thread like that. This is the structure of massive silicone oil. Okay, then next is hydroxy silicone oil. Why I mentioned hydroxy silicone oil, we will know in next step. Okay, for the hydroxy, maybe my writing is not as good. Okay, but anyway, this structure is the hydroxy silicone oil. This product is, you can say it is linear silicone oil, normally used for some construction chemicals, for example, 107 adhesive. It is widely used for the adhesives for construction. This is one product. And also another linear silicone oil famous in the world. Yes, as we know, it is famous from Dow. BMS. There 156. And also another product is from Wacker. WS62M. Linear silicone oil can be used to make, as we mentioned, 107 adhesive, and another one is amino silicone oil. So next is what I want to show, amino silicone oil. Amino silicone oil. Okay, first let me show you the structure as well. This is the structure of amino silicone oil. Amino silicone oil, there is the structure of massive silicone oil, and also it has the group of amino group. This is amino group. That's why it is called amino silicone oil. And also amino silicone oil is widely used for textile industry. As we know, in some cotton fabric, for example, during last 30 years or 40 years, you can see like this. 30 years ago, amino silicone oil was widely used for cotton fabric because amino silicone oil can impart very soft and smooth hand feeling on cotton fabric, especially the smooth hand feeling. Because amino group can give a very soft hand feeling for cotton fiber. And meanwhile, this hydrogen can react with hydroxy group on cotton fiber. So there will be a very thin film on the surface of cotton fabric when using amino silicone emulsion. That's why nowadays even rock silicone oil is more and more popular, but still many dyes they choose amino silicone emulsion for their using because the hand feeling, the surface hand feeling is really very good for cotton fabric, especially for cotton woven fabric.